Thing on. Oh hey guys. Yeah, I just got off work and we're going to Benny's. Gonna help him wire his E39 or E36. Probably change my top because it's too formal. Okay, the weather is nice, but holy crap, it's so bright. It's kind of ridiculous. Ugh, so bright. Sorry, guys. This is like a really nice part of Lethbridge. There's a school a block from here, and there's this like a group of kids walking on the sidewalk, and then this little dude was like, "Hey," as I sit here quietly, and I looked at him. I was like, "What?" He's like, "You have a nice car." I'm like, "Thanks, dude." You can't. It's adorable. Yeah, this is the reason why I have nice cars. Well, nice car. Look at this dude. He's lowered now. Yo, dude. You know what's funny? There's like two separate kids. They were like, "Hey, Dad, look at this nice car." And I'm like, "Yeah, dude." You need a car wash. I do need a car wash, yeah. Where are you going to park? Anywhere. Where are we going to do this? On the driveway? Oh, on the street? Okay. Can I park here? Yeah. Sick. All right. Okay, there's a car behind you. that looks nice. That's so good. So good. Are you not scraping? That's not good. That is not good. You're rubbing, my guy.
I can't have passenger in the back.
Yeah. Wait, this is coils or what?
Yeah, coils.
Yeah, you need to dial it in. I thought you didn't work today.
It's supposed to be my only day off.
Yeah.
They called me. So
Son of a
sure,
bitch.
why not?
You got to do the grind, hey? Love it. Damn it. He's lower than I am. So we're here at his place because we need to do something with his halos. I don't know what they are from, where they're from. Let's see how this is gonna go. You just got home from work. Why don't you change?
I'll be back.
Okay. So I don't know how to take this headlights off, and I can't really find the I just don't know which one is power, which one is negative. Love me. And there's like this sizzling noise. I don't want it blowing my face. I was gonna say this is like the first Euro that I'm working on, but no, that's false. Brendan's Audi was the first one. How to take this off? Just two screws?
1, 2, 3. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you can handle it.
That's okay. It's not going anywhere.
No.
See? I found the other two here. That's fine. Like, look at this. Oh, this paint job. Good job, buddy. Here's the plan, right? You got terminals here. You got 1, 2, 1, 2. We don't know which wire is positive, which wire is negative. We gotta figure it out. It's funny how they didn't put like red wire or black wire. Anyways, so we're going to run the wire here in front of behind this bumper. Wait.
That's all.
Holy shit.
That's OEM.
Oh my god. No, it's not plastic. That's amazing. So wire's going through here. Pick it back through here. Go to the back. And then I'm assuming this is fuse box. I don't know a lot of German wiring, but this should be fairly easy. Well, it all depends on how you want this, right? You want it running all the time, as long as it's running. Yeah, so that means it needs to be hooked up to accessory. Can you turn it on and see first?
This one's not working.
What? Your headlight's not working?
The low beam.
The low beam doesn't work? Okay. Oh.
I don't even know what happened.
Well, that's not good. Is it the bulb?
Yeah, I think that's the bulb.
Shoot, man. Okay, so the plan is, since this part, this side marker, I think this is a side marker. So this side marker is always on. So we're going to hook that up, and that side marker is right over here. We're gonna splice our way through. It's not gonna be the best, but for now it'll be there. And hope for the best next year, if he keeps this. We're gonna make it better next time. I just want to make sure that this project works. Let's do it. We tried to splice this connector for the side marker, and it had 3 wires, and no, I did not bring my multimeter, so this is the jankiest way possible, and just did a process of elimination, and boom, halos.
Let's see with that.
There you go. I don't know. Okay, can you see it? Lit.
I can't wait for later.
No lit. Lit. There you go. So I just got to do the same process of the other side, and we didn't even have to run any wires in between, so that's good. Now we just got to do a shrink wrap. Nope, heat shrink, and then it should be good because we don't have any electrical tape. Let's do it. So we're going to Canadian Tire because he does not have any electric tape, and I did not bring electric tape. The heat shrink that I have is too tough, so we're just gonna get some electric tape. Okay. Canadian Tire. Where would it be? This is like every car guy's and girl's place. You know. So all of this, $99.
Oh my god.
$99.
I got mine right here.
Fuck,
$5.
man. $5. Hey, tell me where this boba is.
Mayor McGrath.
McGrath?
With registration.
Register. Oh, okay.
Shoppers.
Okay, okay.
That's right.
This is ridiculous.
How are we gonna do burnout here next week? I mean next year.
Next. I think they're repaving it.
Sana all.
Sana all. What?
Kalat. Drake will be at my place in 20 minutes.
Holy shit, he's coming?
Yep.
Drake's coming. The boys are back. The boys are back.
A little later.
Looks good. Looks good. How long have you had this headlight?
A long time.
A long time. So this is the first time he's actually seeing the halos.
I want to say with the front light.
Ooh, so good. Okay, my battery's dying. So say goodbye, Benny. Bye. My battery's dying. So I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks. What are those? That's some mad respect. Sport mode. You're doing it on sport mode too. It's not just the Crocs. It's with the socks too. Like damn, I can't do that. Okay, wait. Tell me, are those real Crocs?
Bro, these are real as fuck. You
But-
can't catch me out here with like the bootleg.
Okay, but what are those?
Bro, these are Crocs official
That's
too.
aftermarket parts too.
These,
After-
these are genuine
Okay.
Crocs.
From Japanese part, JDM.
Like who puts aftermarket shit on their
Both
Crocs?
got spinners on their Crocs.
Yo! I never hang out with the
Well, let's
boys.
hope next Friday is gonna be fun.
Bro,
Hope
next
so.
Friday
Next Friday, right?
has to be a banger.
Season ender.
Yep. For winning. winter.
For winter.
Hey, you guys seen 2 years ago to this day? Like the snow is like so high.
Right? Yeah.